and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be showing you how to make homemade egg tofu from scratch. So let's start cooking. First we'll start off with making the egg tofu. I'm using 7 eggs over here. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them up well. After you've done this, add in half a liter of unsweetened soybean milk. Slowly mix them in, stirring while you pour the soya milk in. Okay, so once this is done, we'll transfer this into a steaming tray. Line a piece of baking paper onto your steaming tray. Dab a little bit of water onto the steaming tray so that the paper can actually stick onto the tray and it won't pop up that easily. Using a sieve, we will sieve the egg and soybean mixture into the steaming tray. Gently pour the egg mixture into the tray. Just use a spoon or fork and then just press the rest down. For whatever that can't go down is fine. We'll just leave it and just put this aside. If there's any bubbles, just remove it. Using a piece of aluminum foil, you'll make a cover and cover the egg mixture. Make sure that the shining part is facing down. So place it down and wrap it up. Once this is done, we'll steam this for 30 minutes or until firm. So we'll go and steam this now. In a pot of boiling water or wok of boiling water, we will steam the egg mixture. Put the egg mixture in and we'll steam this for 30 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 30 minutes is up, let's have a look. Right, turn it off first. We will loosen up the foil and then we have a look inside to check whether it's done or not. Very simple to know whether it's done or not. All you got to do is just use a bamboo satay stick, just put it in. If it come out cleanly like this, that means it's done. Okay, so now we'll just take this out and let it cool down before we cut this up. The tofu has cooled down already, so we just need to take this out. So very simple, just get a tray, put it in like this and turn this up this way. And voila, just remove the paper carefully. And there you go, one beautiful piece of egg tofu. Now we just need to pat this dry and then we'll cook this. I'll divide this into 4 pieces and I'll make 4 different dishes out of this tofu. So just get a piece of a kitchen towel and lightly dab it to remove the excess moisture. The reason I'm doing this is because one of the dishes that I'll be doing, I need to deep fry this. So to prevent splatter, I need to remove the excess water. So once you're done with this, okay, what we need to do is just to divide this into equal portions. So I'm just using a dough cutter to divide this tofu up. Just put approximately in the middle, somewhere around here perhaps. Just gently glide it down. There's 2 pieces and we just need to divide this into quarters now. So somewhere like this, just gently push it down. And the same for the other side. Just gently push it down. Okay, so when this is done, we'll fry one of the pieces now. So that's how we make our homemade egg tofu. I hope that's easy enough for you. I hope you enjoy our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.